G'day everyone, thanks for joining me on another Get Up Adventures video. We're up at the Murray River today. We're going to be chasing some carp, the good old mud marlin. With the price of fuel, the boat stayed at home and we've got the kayak today. So we're going to have a paddle around, see what we can find. Should be exciting, so stick with us and see what we can find. We've got a perfect day for it though. It is quite warm, but we're making do. But at least the wind's down, so when it's glassy like this, you can spot them from an absolute mile away. I'm gonna run over this guy again. Oh, right there. There he goes. Haven't got the hang of driving this kayak just yet. Yeah, we've got some ripples up ahead. Well, I can see a back as well. So we've got one up here. Oh, that was our first take. That scared me. Oh dear. Yes, got him. That is a horse. Got him. This is going to be interesting. That is a horse. Oh, look at that bow wave. Now, the trigger's going to be the weed. This thing is massive. This is that 5 kilo fish. This thing is enormous. Look at the size of that. He barely even knows he's been hooked. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, wow. All right, we're just gonna tire him out because this thing is massive. This thing is absolutely massive. Oh, because I've got my little gaff on me, but I think when I gaff him, he is just gonna go mental. But that, look at the back on that. Well, oh, I am shaking like a leaf because this thing is a donkey. Oh, well, we've got him. Oh, excuse me, but check this out. Oh, well, there he is, far out. All right, I'm gonna go to the bank and we'll meet you over there. Yoo-hoo! Well, we've done it. We've managed to land ourselves one. So I'll just get, this is all I'm using. Little grub, soft plastic. And we've got ourselves an absolute horse. Check this out. Look at this fella. That is all of 5 kilos of carp right there. That's insane. Absolute monster. Can you imagine the eggs that this thing would produce every year? That is a beast. That's gotta be 65, 70 centimeters long. That's what we came here for. Mission accomplished. Let's go get some more. Oh, we've got one right here. Oh, I spooked him. That's alright, he hasn't spooked these others. He just appeared out of nowhere. Dirty big tail, 2 tails. Yes! Oi! And he's off backwards. Oh. Well, we're on again. This is insane. Absolutely insane. We have got a lot of weed on our line though. Hopefully he's well hooked. Let's deal with some of this weed. Oh, this weed isn't making it easy. But who doesn't enjoy a challenge? Oh, he's right there. Let me just get that weed off. Sorry, you guys aren't pointing the right direction, but I'm struggling a bit here. Might just have to leave that weed on. He's, oh, there he is. Another massive fish. All right. Where's my bar alarm? Okay. Well, you can see that plastic there, right in the gob. Jeepers, he's hooked well. No wonder that that weed didn't affect us at all. Get that hook right out of the way. Get my paddle out of the way. Alright, well there he is. Another monster. Probably that's 50, 55. Probably a good 3.5 kilo. That's two cracking fish. That is a great fish. So much fun. Well, this is a first for me. We've got our yabby nets out. That's more like a bloody fish trap. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carp. Can you believe that? I mean, I've got a couple little ones in my time, but never 8. That's ridiculous.